Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can lock a specific app or multiple apps on your iPhone. So for that you need this application called Shortcuts. If you don't have it, then you can download it from the App Store, but by default your device will have this app anyway. So first you need to open the app and then go to this option called automation and then new automation. From here, from the search box, type apps and tap here. Now this interface will pop up. From this you need to choose the app you want to lock. So I will choose Drive, Facebook, FaceTime. I'm selecting these three apps I want to lock, and after selecting your preferred apps, tap the done button. Now you need to select this option called run immediately. Make sure this is checked. Don't check this box, make sure this is checked, and then next. From here tap this option called new blank automation and tap this add action. Now from here search lock. As you can see this lock screen, tap here. And after setting this up, you just need to tap the done button. So as you can see, the automation has been completed. So now if I try to open this Drive application, my screen will be locked and I won't be able to make this video as I am recording this on screen. So yeah, that's why I'm not opening this video, but that's why I'm not opening the application. If you try to open it and it will be locked, so you can try it. Hope this video helpful.